Ever felt like you've misplaced something crucial, something you knew was right there, but now it's vanished? Like keys, your phone, or your Newton wallet ID? Yeah, that unique string of characters that used to be so readily available. If you're scratching your head, wondering, what is the Newton wallet ID number now? You're definitely not alone. It's a question that's been buzzing in the crypto community, and today, we're going to unravel the mystery. Let's rewind a bit. For those new to the Newton platform, or maybe those who haven't used it in a while, the wallet ID was a cornerstone feature. It served as a unique identifier for your account, a sort of digital fingerprint. It was easily accessible, typically found within your profile or wallet settings. You'd use it for various purposes, especially when needing to provide proof of ownership or when dealing with customer support. But things change, especially in the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrency. Platforms update, features get tweaked, and sometimes, things were used to disappear or morph into something else. So, what happened to the Newton wallet ID? The simple answer is, it's no longer presented in the same way. Newton has shifted its approach to account identification, prioritizing security and user experience. This means the old-style wallet ID, the long string of alphanumeric characters, isn't directly visible within the app anymore. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but where does that leave me? How do I identify my account now? Good question. The key here is to understand the shift towards more secure and user-friendly methods. Newton, like many modern financial platforms, is moving towards using your registered email address and phone number as primary identifiers. These are unique to you, easily verifiable, and provide a layer of security that the old wallet ID, on its own, couldn't match. Think of it this way, your email and phone number are like your digital passport and driver's license combined. They're tied to your identity, and they're what you use to access and manage your account. But what if you need a more specific identifier for support purposes or for tracing transactions? This is where transaction IDs and other specific details come into play. Every transaction you make on the Newton platform generates a unique transaction ID. This ID is recorded on the blockchain and can be used to trace and verify the transaction. Similarly, when you interact with Newton's customer support, they can use your email address and phone number, along with other account details, to accurately identify your account and assist you. So, instead of relying on a single, static wallet ID, Newton is leveraging a combination of dynamic and secure identifiers. This approach aligns with industry best practices and provides a more robust and secure experience for users. Let's break down some of the practical implications of this change. 1. Account recovery. If you ever need to recover your account, your registered email address and phone number are crucial. These are the primary means of verifying your identity and regaining access to your account. This highlights the importance of keeping your contact information up to date. 2. Customer support. When contacting Newton's customer support, be prepared to provide your registered email address and phone number. This will allow them to quickly and accurately identify your account and provide the necessary assistance. 3. Transaction verification. If you need to verify a specific transaction, use the transaction ID. This ID is unique to each transaction and can be used to trace it on the blockchain. 4. Security. By relying on your email and phone number, Newton is adding a layer of security. These are inherently more secure than a static wallet ID, which could potentially be compromised. Now, you might be wondering, but what if I need to provide a unique identifier to a third party? This is a valid concern. In most cases, providing your registered email address or phone number, along with the relevant transaction ID, should suffice. However, if a third party requires a specific type of identifier, it's best to consult with Newton's customer support to determine the appropriate course of action. They can provide guidance on how to securely share the necessary information. Let's address some common questions that might arise from this change. Question: why did Newton remove the wallet ID? A. Newton removed the wallet ID to enhance security and streamline the user experience. By relying on your registered email address and phone number, they're providing a more robust and secure way to identify your account. Question: how do I find my transaction ID? A. Your transaction ID can be found within your transaction history on the Newton platform. Each transaction will have a unique ID associated with it. Question: what if I don't have access to my registered email or phone number? A. If you don't have access to your registered email or phone number, you'll need to contact Newton's customer support for assistance. They can guide you through the account recovery process. Question: is my account less secure without a wallet ID? A. No, your account is actually more secure. By relying on your email and phone number, Newton is adding a layer of security that the old wallet ID, on its own, couldn't match. Question: how do I prove ownership of my account without a wallet ID? A. You can prove ownership of your account by providing your registered email address and phone number, along with relevant transaction IDs and other account details. The transition from a static wallet ID to a more dynamic and secure system of identification is a reflection of the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. Platforms are constantly adapting to enhance security and user experience. While the change might initially seem confusing, it's ultimately a positive step towards a more secure and user-friendly experience. It's important to remember that the core principle remains the same: your account is uniquely identified and protected. The methods used to achieve this have simply evolved. In summary, the Newton Wallet ID, as it was previously known, is no longer directly presented within the app. Instead, Newton is leveraging your registered email address, phone number, and transaction IDs as primary identifiers. This shift enhances security and streamlines the user experience. If you have any questions or concerns, always reach out to Newton's customer support for assistance. They are the best resource for navigating these changes and ensuring you have a smooth and secure experience. Remember to always keep your contact information updated and to be cautious when sharing any account-related details. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency, and it's essential to take the necessary precautions to protect your assets. This change also mirrors a wider industry trend, with many platforms moving away from easily visible, static IDs. This is because these static IDs can be more easily exploited by malicious actors. By using more dynamic identifiers and by relying on multi-factor authentication, platforms are making it harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access to accounts. So, the next time you're looking for your Newton Wallet ID, remember that it's no longer presented in the same way. Instead, focus on your registered email address, phone number, and transaction IDs. These are the keys to unlocking and managing your Newton account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.